Cancer loves acid.
Cancer, one of the most frightening diseases of our time, affects millions of people around the world. With its rising prevalence, many feel powerless against its devastating impact. But did you know that nature has provided us with foods capable of destroying cancer cells and protecting our bodies from disease? In today's video, we'll explore 7 powerful foods shared by renowned health expert Barbara O'Neill.
Cancer loves acid. Cancer also loves no oxygen. So knowing those things, it makes a lot of sense to alkalize the tissues. And even though there's the drop of only 1 point, the drop of 1 point means 60% less oxygen available at the cellular level. The other thing cancer loves is sugar. So these are the 3 common denominators I find. And so when people come to us wanting help to conquer cancer, you see what we do? We suggest a diet that's highly alkalizing.
Food number 1, lemon.
And you might be surprised to see that the first alkaline food I'm putting up here is the humble lemon. And you might say, no, the lemon's acid. It is. And it's acid where it should be. There's only one part in the body that should be acid. You know where that is? Stomach. It must be acid. If someone says, I've got a very acid stomach, I say, praise God. Because if you don't have an acid stomach, you can't break your proteins down.
Lemons, often thought of as highly acidic, surprisingly have an alkalizing effect once digested. This is because they are rich in essential minerals such as potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which help neutralize acids in the body. While their natural acidity is beneficial for the stomach, aiding in protein breakdown, their true power lies in their ability to support the body's pH balance after metabolism. Lemons not only promote alkalinity, but also offer numerous health benefits, including boosting immunity and aiding digestion. This makes them an essential and versatile addition to any diet aiming for optimal health. Number 2, dark green leafy vegetables. Dark green leafy vegetables are among the best foods for maintaining a healthy pH balance in the body. Varieties like kale, spinach, parsley, collard greens, and Swiss chard are rich in essential alkaline-forming minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium. These minerals play a vital role in neutralizing acids, supporting cellular health, and improving the body's overall ability to resist inflammation and disease. In addition to their alkalizing properties, dark leafy greens are packed with nutrients, including vitamins A, C, K, and folate, which boost immunity, improve bone health, and promote better skin. Their high fiber content supports digestion, while powerful antioxidants help fight oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and cardiovascular issues. Incorporating these vegetables into your daily diet is easy and versatile. Add a handful of spinach to your morning smoothie, toss kale into a fresh salad, or sauté collard greens with olive oil and garlic for a simple, nutrient-dense side dish. By regularly consuming dark green leafy vegetables, you not only help maintain your body's alkalinity, but also provide it with the nutrients necessary for optimal health and disease prevention. Number 3, vegetables.
Also vegetables. Vegetables have an alkaline effect. But there is a question mark with vegetables. I'm putting a question mark here because for some people these have an alkaline effect and sometimes an acid effect. It's the tomato and bell pepper, or in Australia we call that capsicum. Also eggplant, and some countries call this aubergine. And last is the potato. Now this is not the sweet potato. The sweet potato is actually not a potato. The sweet potato is a yam. I'm referring to the English potato or the Irish potato. This is the nightshade group of vegetables, and for some people they have an acid effect, and for some people they have an alkaline effect. Let me tell you what I have found with me. My mother died at 51, a cripple in a wheelchair with rheumatoid arthritis. I have strong inherited genes to that way. And my body says to me, a little tomato now and then. My body says to me, don't even touch the bell pepper.
It's important to listen to your body when consuming these vegetables. While many people can enjoy them without issue, others might need to moderate their intake. If you experience discomfort or inflammation after eating nightshades, consider limiting them and focusing on other alkaline-forming vegetables like broccoli, zucchini, or cucumbers. Incorporating a variety of vegetables into your diet is key to achieving a balanced pH and optimal health. Personalizing your choices based on how your body reacts ensures you reap the benefits without unwanted side effects. Number 4. Legumes.
Lima beans and lentils and soy are the 3 alkaline-forming legumes. For your grains, the millet is alkaline. We had millet this morning. It's a delicious grain, isn't it? I'm sure you can understand when I said it needs to be dressed. It's basically a bland grain, but it's very nice with the stewed apple and the pear cream and the sprinkles on top. Or it's also very nice if you have it with savoury, your lentils.
Number 5. Grains.
Quinoa. I think we'll be having quinoa at another breakfast time. These are alkaline grains, but they're also gluten-free grains, so that's made them very popular. Amaranth. Amaranth is a grain that's not very well known. I think the Aztecs, traditionally they've eaten the quinoa and the amaranth. It's a very tiny grain, and when you cook it, it goes like a lump of glue. But what I often do when my grandsons are with us, because they like a porridge, I'll put a little amaranth with the millet, or I'll put a little amaranth with the quinoa, or if they have oats, I'll put a little amaranth with the oats. So that's quite nice.
Number 6. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are excellent additions to an alkalizing diet, with almonds, Brazil nuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds standing out for their health benefits. These nutrient-dense foods are rich in essential alkaline-forming minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium, which help neutralize acids in the body and support overall pH balance. Additionally, they provide healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, promoting heart health and aiding digestion. Including a handful of these nuts or seeds in your daily diet, whether as a snack, in smoothies, or sprinkled on salads, can enhance both alkalinity and nutritional intake. Number 7. Fruits. Fruits are generally beneficial due to their high vitamin, mineral, and antioxidant content. However, for individuals with yeast overgrowth or fungal infections, it's important to moderate fruit intake. The natural sugars in fruit can feed yeast, promoting its growth and potentially worsening symptoms. When yeast thrives, it produces acids like lactic and acetic acid, which can disrupt the body's pH balance and create an environment conducive to further infections. To support health while managing yeast overgrowth, consider limiting high-sugar fruits and focus on lower-sugar options like berries, which can offer similar nutritional benefits without feeding the yeast. In conclusion, the key to preventing and fighting cancer lies not in quick fixes or miracle cures, but in adopting a lifestyle that supports your body's natural ability to heal. By incorporating these 7 powerful alkaline foods into your diet, like lemons, dark leafy greens, and alkaline-forming nuts and seeds, you can help create an environment in your body that is less hospitable to cancer and disease. Remember, an alkaline pH, reduced sugar intake, and oxygen-rich practices are essential for overall health and disease prevention. Take charge of your health today by making informed, nourishing choices that support long-term well-being. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep thriving.